How to turn off or on show after call details for Phonebook contacts on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage it. Go to Truecaller and now click on your profile here, then click the settings icon, and once you're here you will find all your installed apps. Just click caller ID, and here you will find show after call details for Phonebook contacts, and here you can turn it off or on. It's easy, and that's it. And then just go back, it will be saved, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.